Leaving the common wire disconnected at the thermostat on a modern digital model will typically cause loss of continuous low-voltage power, which can disrupt display, features, and reliable operation. Modern digital thermostats generally expect a continuous 5-volt to 24-volt low-voltage feed from the heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system to power advanced displays, Wi-Fi radios, and control logic. The common wire, often labeled C, completes that circuit and provides a steady return path. If the common wire is absent, battery-powered models will run on batteries but may disable power-hungry functions such as Wi-Fi, backlight, and scheduled features, while non-battery models may show a blank screen or cycle unpredictably. Some thermostats attempt to steal power from the heating coil or cooling coil circuits by drawing microcurrents when the system is idle. This can work intermittently but may cause the furnace or air handler to short cycle, the thermostat to reboot, or batteries to drain faster. The reliable fix is to run or reconnect a dedicated common conductor from the air handler or furnace control board to the thermostat, verifying the terminal labeled C and testing with a multimeter for 20 to 24 volts as installed. If running wire is impractical, installers can fit a power extender kit supplied by some thermostat manufacturers or install a compatible 72-hour rechargeable module at the control board. Always turn off low voltage power at the furnace or air handler before working on terminals, follow manufacturer wiring diagrams, and document wire colors and terminal labels. When in doubt, consult a licensed heating, ventilation, and air conditioning technician to avoid damaging control components or voiding warranties. 3 common issues are intermittent connectivity and display blanks, which usually indicate insufficient continuous power and can be resolved by adding the common wire or using the manufacturer power extender kit. Rapid thermostat or system cycling, which often results from power stealing behavior and is addressed by providing a proper common connection or installing a capacitor kit on the air handler. And premature battery depletion, which occurs when a battery-backed thermostat compensates for missing common power and is solved by restoring the common conductor or switching to a model designed for battery-only operation. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors by listing screened professionals and real project reviews that clarify who can safely add or reconnect a common wire and perform low-voltage wiring. BigHomeProjects.com also helps contractors find work by connecting their verified profiles to nearby homeowners seeking specific heating, ventilation, and air conditioning and electrical services.